Hi everyone, Mrs. E here, back with another weekly spelling words video. So here we go, let's see what we're learning this week. Spelling 1 is month, month. Okay, so there are 12 months of the year, there they all are. This week's sound is O, but this week it isn't spelt with an O, it's spelt with an O. So every time you hear an O this week, try and spell it with an O. Month. There are 12 months in the year. Month. That's the way I would remember it. Spelling 2 is brother. Can you hear the O sound in the middle of brother? You want to spell it B-R-U-T-H-E-R, but it's B-R-O-T-H-E-R. My brother is my best friend. We've got the word the in the middle of brother, bro, the, Spelling 3 is another. Another. If something is another, it's more of the same. I'm getting another cake from the shop. Lovely. So here we've got the again inside the word, and we've also got not inside the word. Another. Spelling 4 is discover. Discover. I will discover who committed the crime. Can you see any words within the word here? You should be able to see cover. So if we can spell cover, you can spell discover with that prefix at the beginning. Spelling 5 is wonder. We might want to spell it w-o-n-d-e-r, but it is actually wonder. Looks like wander, but wander is w-a-n, so be careful. Wonder. I wonder what will happen at the end of the story. Our final spelling is govern. Govern. If you govern somebody, you are in charge of them. So our leaders govern our country. All the MPs in the House of Commons make decisions about our country. Looks like govern, because again, that O isn't making an O sound, it's actually making a U sound. Okay, quiz time now. Let's see if you can unjumble this spelling. Which of our 6 words is this spelling? I'll give you a clue. It starts with D. Can you guess it? Which of our words started with D? D-I-S. Dis. K. O. Saying O. Disco. That's right. It's discover. Discover. I am going to discover who committed the crime. Question 2. Here we go. Can you unjumble this one? Which of our words is it? Bit of a hint, it starts with G. Which of our words started with G? Write it down. Go, written like a R. V. Govern. Govern is our word. Well done if you got that one right. Govern. We vote to see who will govern the land. Question 3. Can you unjumble this spelling? Don't forget, pause the video and write it down. It starts with a W. Which of our words started with a W? O, but written like an O. One. That's right, it's wonder. I wonder what I will have for my tea. Wonder. Here's number 4. What's our word this time? Pause the video and write it down. Little hint is it starts with an A. A, N, O, written like an O. Ano. Have you got it before me? Another. Great job if you got that right. Are you having another piece of pizza? Question 5. What word is this today? Do you know? Write it on your pad. Starts with a B. Brr. O. Spelt like an O. Bro. Broth. Oh, I bet you've got it now. That's right. It's brother. Brother. Well done, boys and girls. Here's our final one. I bet you can unjumble this one quickly. Write it down on your pad. What is this word? Starts with M. 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 O. Written like an O. Mum. That's right. It's month. There are 12 months in the year. Great job. Hopefully you got 6 out of 6 for our quiz. Keep practicing and you will soon be an expert and get all of them right in next week's spelling test. See you next time. Bye for now.